Hey guys, welcome to YouTube for broke people. So we look at all the bargains out there, the latest bargains, cheap ways to live our lives. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe with us, and we're going to show you exactly how to get a good bargain. So here we are today. If you're looking for a hoover, the famous Mr. Henry. So Henry wet and dry cylinder vacuum cleaner. It's currently on sale right now, £140. Save £20. So you get this little nice product for £120. And if you look at the reviews, 310 reviews, so 5-star ratings, quite a few. 251 people have given it a 5-star. I had a Dyson for 4 years. It must have had 5% of the suction this has. Save yourself any hassle and buy this for the rest of your life, whether it's for around the house or heavy duty car cleaning, etc. This is what you want. 160 watt motor doesn't exist in a normal vacuum anymore, so this is the strongest you can get. So really good reviews. Obviously there are negatives. Let me just see one or two negatives. Okay, the vacuum makes too much noise without much power. It's not comfortable at all. So there are a few negatives, but overall very high rating. Let's just look at well, I thought I said it had 300 reviews. Anyway, let's just look at some of the qualities of it. Suitable for all floors, 2.4 meters hose, 10 meters power cord, 9-liter wet capacity, 15-liter dry capacity. So for those of you out there, I don't really know what it means by wet capacity. I'm assuming you can wet the floors then, which is interesting. So total capacity 15 liters, side suction, adjustable floor head, weight 9 kg. So overall it does look like a fairly decent product. Manufacturer's guarantee 3 years warranty. I like the fact that it has the option to be wet. So let me just see if there's a picture of it. Good for the cause. But do you want to spend £120? We'll look at a few different other options. Oh, I'm assuming wet qualities, they can suck up wet products. That's probably what it means. Alright. And then looks like there's the filter bags. So it does look like a really nice quality. A few different heads to it. But look, let's just look at different products now. So here we go, another Henry, same price, 140, but it's actually £40 off. Get rid of that. £40 off, and you get for £100. This one's got 3,011 reviews. This site is Argos. Comment below if you know any other places to get this real product for the same similar price or better. Right now it's on sale. Save £40. Collect 99. You can even get nectar points, giving you a few more points and a few more discounts for the future. Weight 7.5 kg. Let me just see if it's got a wet thing. Not that it really matters, but I'm sure you guys all know of this product. Here we go, Henry. This is slightly different. Save £40, £100. Sorry, £40 off, down to £100. It's not bad. Take advantage of the deals while you can. There's a few more other products out there, but obviously this was a famous one. Let's just see if I can best result. Filter it by best customer rating. Yes, always Henry looks at top 4 or 5 are Henrys. 3,000, 1,750. This is £150. Save £30. This looks like it's a better deal. What else is and you have different colors, but these are not on sale. So definitely worth the investment. If you got that spare £100, I'd probably go for the cheaper 100 because it probably does the same job. Let me just see if there's anything else on sale. That's 20%. Let's go for lowest quickly. Just quickly double check the lowest. Oh, these are the bags that you may need. Anyway, there you have it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe with YouTube for broke people.